I love a Bahn Mi sandwich, and I have figured out a really easy way to make them is if I turn the pork into meatballs first, because it gets all the flavor in there without actually having to marinate it. And it's super easy to make ahead of time and have ready to go. Tonight is one of those nights at our house where there is something everyone is doing, and I don't know when anyone's eating dinner. Could be 4 p.m., could be 9 p.m. So I'm gonna make this now. It'll be ready to go. We can heat and eat as we go. So first I'm gonna start by making the pickled vegetables that go on the top of the Bahn Mi. So I'm chopping a cucumber and a carrot to make them pretty thin cut. My thin cut is not as thin as it probably should be. And then we're gonna pop them into a jar and get our pickling liquid going. All right, once the vegetables are in the jar and chopped and ready to go, we're gonna add 1 cup of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and we're gonna heat this. Okay, it doesn't take long for everything to melt down. Once that's all done, we're gonna pour it over our vegetables, and we're gonna let that rest. It needs like at least an hour to get the flavors together, but you can leave it up to 2 weeks and it'll be great. So start it now and it'll be ready. And while that sits, we're gonna get our meat going. All right, in my bowl, I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm gonna add to that 1 egg lightly beaten, a cup of panko, this chopped jalapeno that I just cut up, some chopped cilantro, sriracha, and fish sauce. We're gonna blend all that together and then form our meatballs. All right, I mix this with my hands. You can make your own choices. I know some people think it feels gross. It's fine, it's just meat. Once this is well mixed, we're gonna form it into meatballs, whatever size is gonna fit onto your buns. All right, the fastest way to form your meatballs is to just get a scoop first and put it on a cookie sheet, and don't worry about what it looks like, and then we'll come back and form them into smooth meatballs. The great thing about these two is that if you make a lot, they freeze really well, so you can always have a backup dinner down the road. Okay, once all the meatballs are formed, we're gonna then smooth them out so they look nicer. The secret to this is to do it with wet hands, because when your hands are wet, they form super easily into balls. All right, once they're all smoothed out, we're gonna pop this into a 350-degree oven and let them bake. It's like 10 to 15 minutes, so keep an eye on it. You can always cut one in half to see when they're done. And while those bake, we're gonna make the sauce for the top that is super simple. In a bowl, we're gonna combine mayonnaise, sriracha, and a dash of fish sauce, and that's it. So when our meatballs are done, we're gonna pop them onto our bun, add the pickled vegetables, and top it with this sauce. And you've got an easy weeknight dinner that can be 99.9% made ahead. All you have to do at the end is assemble it. And it's perfect for these nights when everyone is coming and going and doing a million different things. Or it's perfect for these nights when everyone's home and you can enjoy a fun family dinner together. So either way, it's a win. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @Hedin, and I post everything there. I'll see you next week.